Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Vocal, a tool that claims to record and send voice notes via email, AI transcription, CNAME tracking, mobile support, and more. The tool is pretty good. You can use it to record your voice and then they will create a page where your voice is attached. It is downloadable and you can see the transcript of your voice, and also you can use the tool in Gmail or Google Docs to attach your voice, your records, and send voice notes. The use case are tremendous. You will many possibilities with this tool, and best tier here is tier 3 where you get all the features. You need tier 2 to get custom domain, customize fonts, colors, and themes, and send voice messages in Microsoft Teams. But you need tier 3 to have folders to organize your recordings and to track and to know when someone listens to your voice note. There are difference here about the team members. The plan 2, you get one team member, and with plan 3 team members. If you get more codes, you get more team members. Let's just see how the tool works. The tool is pretty simple to use. You just click here to record your message. Then you can record your message here. And when you are ready, just click on. You see here that the dashboard is fully customizable. It's in Portuguese now, but you can use it in any language and customize the colors as well. Click here to play, here to download, here to change the what's written here and there. And also if you want to attach the MP3 file to your email as well. And when you are ready, just click here to upload. The recordings will be here on your folders. You can create folders clicking on the plus button, create new folder. And on settings, you can set up your custom domain. That's pretty straightforward. You can customize your signature, your listen page. You can also add your custom logo, changing the default logo, uploading a custom logo. I'm gonna do that right now. Just uploaded my custom logo here, and you can see I have the pro plan with one team member. I got two codes, and would recommend that for everyone that like to send message using Gmail and record their voice. It's pretty simple to do it, and to use it on Gmail it's also pretty simple. Just click here, click on the microphone button, log in on your account, and just record yourself. Just record yourself here. The tool will save it. It's a Chrome extension that will work here natively on your. So I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.